It is 6:10. It's super early. Mac's actually sleeping. That's why I'm whispering. Today I am gonna go to Philadelphia and I have a shoot for Lily Pulitzer. So I thought it would be really fun to take you guys away to set because I haven't done that in a while. And yeah, I kind of want to show you guys my day today. Oh, what's wrong with my shirt? Oh, it's just too early. Okay, I have like insane eye bags, so little trick what I'm going to do. Just wake up my skin. Okay, I'm gonna pack my bag. Ooh, it's a little red. Maybe it was a little too cold. I'm going to pack my bag and then at 6:30 I leave here to the train station. Wake up with me.
What you eat?
This is not my everyday day in a life though.
When Max wakes
Max
up.
Today is a very special day. Good morning. Today we're on set for Lily Pulitzer. First breakfast.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on and I'm feeling dangerous. Let's get this party started. Yeah, we gon' be adventurous.
Super long hair. I wish I had this forever. Okay, sorry, I have like food in my mouth. Here in the back we have like all the clothes, and then here we have the set. So this is all the stuff we need to shoot today.
I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual.
So guys, our rack is empty. It's all there. Done. Okay, so it's a wrap. I'm gonna take off a little bit my makeup. Not too much. Otherwise I'm gonna like scare people in the train. And take out my extensions. They're actually taped this time, so I can just like take them off. I'm also wearing some like fake lashes, and I'm hoping, I don't know, if this was a good idea. I am ready to get these taken up. The magic trick. Wait, you still need hairspray for that? To take it out?
Yeah, what do you usually use? Anything with alcohol will like break the
I
tape.
like taking on vodka. There we go. Dun. I'm so hot. Looking for my car. Can't find it. Yay, that's my car. Okay, so we finished our shoot day and it was really nice. It was actually the first time I worked with this client, but yeah, it was super easy, nice people. And I mean, I couldn't vlog too much over there because obviously I was working and I was shooting, and you know, I was not like I couldn't vlog all the time, but I hope you guys kind of could see a little bit like what we were doing and like how it worked. And yeah, I hope you guys like enjoy watching it. It's like raining right now. It's not really nice. I'm good. What time is it? Let's see. It is. Okay, so it's 4:15 and my train is at 5 or 4:45, and then I will arrive in New York at 6:30. So I think, I don't know what Max is up to, but I hope I can like grab dinner or something with him, maybe in the city, or just gonna go home and chill, because last night I was filming until like 8:30 p.m. because I wanted to catch like the sunset, and that's why I went to bed way too late. And I was like, oh, I will sleep in the train this morning, and of course that didn't really happen. So I'm pretty tired right now. Anyway, yeah, gonna go in the train and go back to New York City. So, oh, I was cold in the train, but I finally made it home. Oh my god, and it's like such a mess here. This is like my life in one shot. A couple days ago I came back from like traveling, and I still like haven't unpacked. I should really make like a habit out of that from the moment I come home, just do my laundry, do everything. But yeah, I was really not feeling it. Anyway, so the first thing what I do when I always come home after a job is taking a shower. I always feel so dirty because you're wearing so many different looks, so many different clothes, people are touching you, you're wearing like so much makeup, like my skin is like breaking out. And yeah, a fresh shower and a good skincare routine are like number one. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to show you guys how. So first thing what I do is always like take off my makeup, and I used to use like a makeup remover like Bioderma or something, but recently I have found this is something I'm like obsessed with. It is this like little halo pad, and this is kind of like very soft, and basically this thing can like remove your makeup. So I'm grabbing a little water, and I don't have to put anything on there, and it sounds impossible that just like this wet little sponge can actually take off like mascara and everything, but it works so well. And I really like it because I always feel like the less product you use and the less like, I don't know, there is always in makeup remover especially, I think there are a lot of like ingredients which are not good for your skin, and this just literally super easy here, like eyeshadow. And it's also like super sustainable because the amount of cotton pads I was going through during the week was just crazy. So as you can see, it literally just like, it takes off like eyeshadow, it takes off mascara, it takes off everything. And I just like gently smooth it. And you can literally put this like in the wash machine. So what I normally do after I use it, I wash it with soap so it's like fresh for the next day. I don't know how people don't know about this. Well, I recently found out, but I think it's just incredible. Like removing your makeup without any like chemicals or anything. If I would recommend you guys one beauty tip, it would be getting this pad. So all my makeup is removed. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then we're gonna do a face mask. So I just came out of the shower and I'm going to put a little face mask on because my face is so extremely dry. I'm going to use this one. Mascologist from London, Lavender Facial Hydrogel Sheet Mask. I actually really hate the smell of lavender. It's really strange, like vanilla and everything I really love. But this mask is just so good that I don't mind the lavender smell. This like really like hydrates my skin after a day of work. Because you know what it is? They put like a lot of makeup on and then they do constantly like touch up. So it's layer on layer on layer. And I have a super sensitive skin. So for me it's so important to take care of it afterwards. So this is kind of this gel mask. But it always feels so good afterwards. So, there we go. It's not easy without a mirror. Oh, there's also one for the lips, but then I cannot talk anymore. I used to hate face masks. I always got like that weird feeling on my face. I was like, ugh, I feel like I'm like locked up. But now I actually really love it. I enjoy it. Oops. Am I breaking this? Oh. There we go. Oh, I did break it a little bit. Pretty big for my face, but now I'm going to make a cup of tea and then I'm gonna sit on the couch. So this is probably my favorite thing to do. I'm on the couch with a cup of tea and I just like took off my face mask and I just the leftovers I put into, just like dab into my skin to really make it feel like hydrated. It feels really good. And then like my favorite thing to eat after a long day are these kitchen chocolate covered cashews with vanilla bean, and oh my god, this is just so good, so tasty. So yeah, this was a day in my life. I think I'm waiting for Max to come back home, and I think tonight we're just gonna order some food by Chloe. I think we really love the vegan place lately, and then we want to take it very easy tonight, and I'm gonna go to bed very early because it was an early morning. Normally I dip my chocolate in the tea, but it's a bit difficult with this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more day in my lives or come to work with me or anything else. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys very soon.